Find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. Solution. Let the given points be A, that is -4, -2, B, which is -3, -5, C, which is 3, -2 and D, 2, 3. Using the area of triangle formula, we have area of triangle ABC is equal to half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substituting the values, we get half into modulus of -4 into -5 minus of -2 plus -3 into -2 minus of -2 plus 3 into -2 minus of -5. Simplifying this, we get half in modulus of -4 into -3 minus 3 into 0 plus 3 into 3. Further simplification of this will be half into modulus of 12 minus 0 plus 9, which is equal to 21/2, that is 10.5 square units. Similarly, area of triangle ACD is equal to half into modulus of -4 into -2 minus 3 plus 3 into 3 minus of -2 plus 2 into -2 minus of -2. Simplifying this, we get half into modulus of -4 into -5 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 0. Further simplification of this will be half into modulus of 20 plus 15 plus 0, which is equal to 35/2, that is 17.5 square units. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD, which is 10.5 plus 17.5, which equals to 28 square units.